Homeowners and buyers, now that the National Association of Realtors new rules on commission is in effect, how does that impact you if you're selling your home or purchasing one? Well, first, it's important to know commission structures have always been a key part of real estate transactions. Commission or compensation has always been negotiable. Often in the past, when a home is sold, the seller often paid the real estate commissions. Oftentimes, when the fee was paid to a seller's agent, the agent representing the seller's agent would pay a portion of that compensation to the buyer's agent, the one who was representing the buyer. With the new NAR ruling based upon recommendations from the Department of Justice, sellers cannot offer compensation on the multiple listing service. However, they are still allowed to pay compensation or give concessions to the buyer or buyer's agent. Now, understanding every state is handling this differently. There are over 600 MLSs, and each MLS is handling it differently. Different states, different MLSs, brokerages will have their own ways of navigating these changes. So what does this all mean? Hi, I'm Cheryl Fowlkes with eXp Realty and Superior Town and Country Group. There's a lot to cover on this topic, so let's break it down. First off, for sellers, these changes in commission could mean a shift in the financial dynamics of selling your home. With this new commission structure, sellers may now find themselves negotiating commissions differently when hiring their listing agent. Now more than ever, it's going to be important to hire the right agent that stands apart from the competition and offers the best value for compensation. Sellers will need to focus on agents who can provide not just a good rate, but also exceptional service, negotiations, marketing expertise to ensure their home sells quickly with the most favorable terms for the seller. Our firm will be advising the pros and cons of commission structures on each scenario because it's all different. But we will be letting sellers know that any compensation to the buyer or buyer's agent will be coming directly from the seller, not from our brokerage. However, this does not mean we do not encourage a seller to offer compensation to a buyer's agent. For buyers, the new commission structure will also have significant impact. More often than not, in the past, buyers haven't directly paid their agents to help them secure their dream home, as a fee which was negotiable often came from the seller. Now, with this new ruling, buyers might need to factor in these costs to pay their agent a commission for their services. This in turn could affect the overall budget for purchasing a home. Buyers need to know the importance of having a strong agent. Negotiating the wishes of the buyer regarding compensation is now more important than ever. With all these changes in compensation structure, it will be a new era of transparency and negotiation in a transaction between buyers, sellers, and agents. Now more than ever, having an experienced agent on your side to help with negotiation process and add value to your transaction is going to be more important as this change is implemented. But remember, all things are negotiable between buyers and sellers. If you would like more information on this new ruling, please reach out to my team and I. Let us help you navigate these changes as either a buyer or a seller in today's housing market. I'm Cheryl Fowlkes, and when you do what you love, people love what you do.